I saw the sun begin to dim and felt that winter wind blow cold. A man learns who is there for him when the glitter fades and the walls won't hold. 'Cause from that rubble what remains can only be what's true. If all is lost, there's more I gained, 'cause it led me back to you. From now on, these eyes will not be blinded by the lights. From now on, what's waited till tomorrow starts tonight. It starts tonight. Let this promise in me start like an anthem in my heart. From now on, from now on. I drank champagne with kings and queens. The politicians praised my name. But those were someone else's dreams, the pitfalls of the man I became. For years and years I chased their cheers, a crazy speed of always needing more. But when I stop and see you here, I remember who all this was for. And from now on, these eyes will not be blinded by the lights. From now on, what's waited till tomorrow starts tonight. It starts tonight. And let this promise in me start like an anthem in my heart. From now on, from now on, from now on. Eyes will not be blinded by the lights.
From now on,
what's waited till tomorrow starts tonight. It starts tonight. And let this promise in me start like an anthem in my heart. From now on. Life has become an awfully big adventure since meeting you, Natasha Corbin, and I have never felt as unconditionally loved and supported by another human being. Whether it's a beautiful house overlooking the ocean or living out of a suitcase exploring this world, I'm always home as long as I am with you. And I would love for nothing more than to continue this amazing adventure with you as my most bestest friend. But I would also be so very humbly honored if it was also as my wife. Natasha Corbin, will you marry me?